The intuitive handling makes starting up easy. The large display and the operator interface have considerably improved the overview. It is extremely easy to set the speed, temperature and airflow welding parameters with the buttons and the turn and push Edrive. The Edrive helps you navigate and confirm. Pressing the Edrive starts the welding machine. The graphic bar shows you how long it will take until the set temperature is reached. This is the case as soon as the display stops flashing. To switch the VARIMAT V2 off, press the Edrive twice. The blower switches off automatically if the temperature is lower than 60 degrees for 2 minutes, in order to extend the service life of the equipment.